The Jellas 7 Amp Belt Sander boasts a powerful motor that efficiently rotates the belt at over 13 feet per second, making it ideal for intensive woodworking tasks. With its variable speed control, users can easily adjust the speed from 120 to 400 rotations per minute, ensuring precision for various applications. This versatile tool can be transformed into a bench sander thanks to the included metal C-clamps, providing added stability and convenience for prolonged projects. The sander comes equipped with 10 high-quality aluminum oxide sanding belts in different grits, catering to diverse project needs and offering great value. A highly effective dust collection system, including a detachable bag and a 2-in-1 vacuum adapter, ensures a clean working environment by efficiently capturing dust. The thoughtful design of the Jellas Belt Sander, combined with a 2-year customer support guarantee, underscores its reliability and user-friendly operation.